Have you ever stopped to think about the hidden drawbacks of a sink without a garbage disposal? Let's dive into why upgrading could be your best decision yet. First, let's talk about clogging issues. Without a garbage disposal, food particles can accumulate, leading to stubborn blockages that require frequent plumbing interventions. Not only is this inconvenient, but it also increases maintenance costs. Moreover, without a disposal system, there's an increase in waste. More organic matter ends up in landfills, contributing to environmental concerns and releasing harmful methane gas. The manual effort of scraping plates and managing waste is another downside, taking time and effort from your busy schedule. Finally, let's not forget the environmental impact. Garbage disposals help reduce the amount of organic waste sent to landfills, supporting a more sustainable living environment. So, why not make a smart choice for your home and the planet? Consider installing a garbage disposal today. And if you need expert advice or service, Seattle Appliance Service Pros is here to help. Upgrade your sink, upgrade your life.